Hello friends, welcome to Alphabet Yoga. The letter R is for roll. Let's get ready to roll like a ball. Knees to your chest. Can you lift your feet off the ground? Try. If not, you can tap the ground until you're able to keep them lifted off the ground. Let's get ready to roll a small roll. Ready? Back up. Awesome. This time, let's roll a little more, but don't roll on your head, stay on your shoulders. Here we go. Whoa. One more. Roll. And back. Oh, pause. Were your feet off the ground? Mine touched a little bit, but that's okay. Keep going. This time, we're gonna roll all the way around in a circle. Here we go. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! How many times did it take you? Let's roll the other way. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3 more. 3, 4. Here I come. Wow. 5. Awesome. We were on a roll. The letter R is for roll.